Vocal shortcuts are designed to let you perform your favorite actions using custom phrases. But do you know that you can instantly bring up the accessibility shortcut menu using a vocal shortcut on your iPhone or iPad? If you're fond of the plethora of useful accessibility features like music haptics, vehicle motion cues, voiceover, and more, make sure to take advantage of this neat hack. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now choose Accessibility. Then go to the Speech section and choose Vocal Shortcuts. Then you have to tap on the Add Action button or tap on Set a Vocal Shortcuts if it is the first time you are going to use this feature. Then tap on Continue. And then you have to head over to the Accessibility section and choose Accessibility Shortcut. And after that, you have to enter the custom phrase through which you want to trigger this shortcut on your device. For instance, shortcut. And then you have to verify this custom phrase by speaking it 3 times. And that's pretty much it. Once the custom phrase is ready, tap on Continue and you are good to go. From now onward, you can quickly access the Accessibility Shortcut menu with this very vocal shortcut on your iPhone or iPad, just like this. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.